The men were soldiers in the war. The soldiers were working really hard in their war. The soldiers were training first and then they got to the war. During the war, some of the soldiers got shot. I'm Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale looked at the soldiers and then she called her nurses. Nurses, try to help the soldiers. The nurses wanted to help the soldiers get better. We'll help you. Each nurse carried one of the soldiers and they got them to the hospital because she wanted to help the poorly soldiers. Florence Nightingale was walking 4 miles in the night. She remembered all the poorly soldiers. Florence took the soldiers to the hospital. The nurses looked after the soldiers and helped them. Hospital was really dirty and they all had to brush up. But Florence Nightingale said, "Nurses, clean up the hospital. Nurses, we have to tidy up." They scrubbed the floor. David, where does I have a hat? They cleaned the bed sheets. Florence was a kind and thoughtful person. I remember the fallen. I remember everything!